Hey you guys, this is Mariah Designs here. I'm going to show you guys how to make a face mask for those who are home and for those who want to help the community. The first thing you will need is 2/4-inch elastics, draping pins, fabric, scissors, paper scissors, a ruler, fabric, pattern paper, technical pencil, curved ruler, and teller's chalk. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. So the first step is to make the pattern. The two top half of the pattern is 4 inches and 2/4, going straight down at the point, making a triangle. And on the sides, it would be 3 inches on each side. And on the bottom of the mask, the pattern will measure out to be 6 inches straight across. The next step is to make the seam allowance around the sides. It could measure from 5/8 or to 1/4. That is up to you. The next step is to cut out the pattern on the fabric and place the fabric and the pattern on and pin it down. The next step would be to cut out the pattern, cut around the whole pattern. Place the pattern on fabric and pin the pattern down. Then cut it out with fabric scissors. So as you can see, I'm marking this pattern with teller's chalk. The next step is to put the mask together and sew the top triangular part together, sew the bottom of the mask straight across, and cut across the fabric on each side, the excess fabric. So the next step is to reverse and turn the fabric inside out. The next step you're going to do is put the elastic on the insides of the mask on each side and pin it down. Then you will top stitch both sides of the mask with the elastic on the inside, and then you're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, email me